What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you all had a great weekend and I wish you all the best week. But right now in this video we're covering Burgercities or the Burger Crypto, which you have expected it from me. I always covered this when it was that bullish. Today it's up 16%, a little bit more against the market, which is always good to note. It's about 22-21% up against the market, and with the market I mean Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the volume is at 150 million, which is again more than 3 times the market cap. So that's great. If you take a look at the volume over the last 7 days, you can see that we actually dropped down quite significantly, down to somewhere like 16 million, which you should note was still more than 50%, or a little bit less than 50% of the market cap. It's still doing good. And before that, obviously, we touched volume levels at a peak of 300 million. So in this video, I just wanted to take a look at what's going on and what I think is the most likely scenario from here and basically what's happening. All right, so what we did yesterday, this actually happened yesterday already, but so I'm a little bit late. Excuse me for that, but better late than never. So the main thing we did is we actually touched this level right here. Or almost touched it, but like practically we touched it. We found support at 1.5 for the first time. 1.5 is a big psychological support level. So in my last analysis, I also thought that that would hold. I didn't expect this move, but I did think we would find support there. So we got a nice move. But obviously, or not obviously, but if you would like another bull run with Burger, sure, that's possible, but what you need to do is not only break above this level right here at $2.2, you need to break above this whole area at 2.5. all right, and whether you think that's possible from where we are right now is really up to you. I don't think it's possible, even though, I mean, if we break above 2.5, I do want to cover it. I think we can get up to 3.5 easily again after finding some resistance at $3, but I just don't think it's realistic. At this point of time, maybe within the next 2 weeks, it's more realistic. But at this point of time, you can just see a very clear bearish structure going on with Burger, which isn't that weird. I mean, from where we started at the bottom right here, you do have to realize that we're still up 200%. All right. So usually when a bull run like this happens, at some point you're gonna fall down. It cannot keep going up. And at the point when it's going to fall down, it's going to fall down hard. That's just what you see. And even when I say that, you do have to add that from this top we made, we're down 57%, all right? Even though we're up 200% from the bottom. So it's over the long term, over the last month, it's not even looking that bad. But for now, I just don't expect that it's realistic to break above 2.5 again and to get another bull run. All right, I think it's more likely, and you can also see that from the price, I think it's more likely we'll drop through to that 1.5 level again, consolidate on top of that for a little bit, even though it's probably less volatile, so maybe something like this. And then afterwards, I do expect that even, or like especially, with the interest rate decision coming up Wednesday, I do expect Burger to drop down further as well, where my next support level is right here between 1.3 and 1.15. And after that, we'll see again. I think within the next weeks, it's actually pretty reasonable to expect that we're going all the way down to $1. All right, so something like this within the next weeks. But obviously, I will keep updating it, and it's definitely not out of question that Burger will become bullish again. But at this point of time, if you take a look at the market, what's going on, Bitcoin having a bearish breakout, or at least a bearish break, and the interest rate decision coming up, which is not going to be bullish for the overall market, for the overall financial market. Just looking at that, I don't think it's likely to get that bullish momentum right now. All right, so that's it. That's basically my analysis on Burger for now. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I especially hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.